Hey, how's everybody doing? It's Mr. Peace here. I just got done sharing my heart at St. John, the Evangelist school here in Warrenton, Virginia. And it was a beautiful day. I got to speak to the kindergartners all the way up to eighth grade. And the theme for both of them was on positive life choices, being our best self. And a big part of that message is to start to believe in our own abilities and our own worth. So I told everybody, like it says in Isaiah 49, we all have the M etched on all of our palms with the lines of our hand. M for miracle, W for worthy, that we're worthy of love to give it and to receive it. And that once we really buy into our worth and our value, that no matter what anybody says about us, their opinions that might try to bring us down, that we still remember that we are all children of God, children of the Most High, created in His image and likeness, and that we are beautiful miracles. And once we finally buy into that and believe that, then we also make the other positive life choice to start to encourage other people, right? We replace those limiting beliefs with something that's more positive, and then go out and be that light to the world that it talks about in Matthew. And so another part of the presentation talks about success, and that true success, right? The opposite of it is not failure, rather it's quitting, giving up. And that so many famous people have failed over and over and over again, but it doesn't make us a failure. You know, one mistake doesn't make us a mistake. That we know that we can keep trying, that we always have the effort, and that God has the outcome. And as long as we're giving it our all and can look ourselves in the mirror at the end of the day and say that we gave it our all, then usually we're going to get the results that we want. So again, it was a very emotional day. Got to stay for all the lunches too, and all the students really touched my heart, just telling me some of their stories and sharing some of their just some of the things that really hit their heart, that they got to talk about that, and that they love the shirt too, that keep your head up, which is also part of the message, that even if we look down or feel down, it's a reminder to always keep our head up, to always keep thinking positive no matter what, and really going out and then encouraging other people to believe in their worth and in their ability, and that they can be the best version of themselves too. So never give up. God doesn't give up on us. Thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon. Until then, much love. Peace.